Now start the next topic, power exchanges. A marketplaces where different participants are there to buy and sell the electricity can do other services in a competitive manner by acting at certain terms as a price, such as a price, availability, and quality of the supply, quality of the product is known as the power exchanges. The power exchanges mean in the marketplaces, different participants are there to exchange nothing but buy or sell in the electricity. So, in the participant in the marketplaces can be utilities, brokers, and power marketers and retailers and load collectors and large industrial consumers and co-generators. So there are so many participants are there, and the electricity, the price marketplaces to buy and sell the exchanging the power exchange. So persons are there, and to such terms conditions are there. Read and terms and conditions, the price and quality, availability of the product is known as the power exchange or spot price pool. So the power exchange is a new independent, accurate and non-probability entity which is acquires schedule for load and generation resources. In the power exchange is new independent. It is the non-probability entity because of the which is acquired schedule for generation resources on the generation of resources, the power systems, power electricity. The following are the most important services provided by the power exchange marketers, the PX marketers. It clear the settle the deals. It clear settle the deals. First, two participants are there in this market. First, it terms and conditions. It clearly talking and settle the deals. Then after you buy the or sell the electricity. And then the second one is correlative risky talking. Because of correlative risky talking means there are so many participants in the marketplaces. Marketplaces will be between the talking will be talking the based on the to buy or sell the electricity. Correlative risky talking. Next, it is a provide for the auditing and billing of the products. To provide the auditing and billing the product in spot market and term market. So it provide in the PX market is provide the short term auditing, billing, how much pay in bill amount billing the product in spot market or term market. But sometimes usually the product is pay and after sometimes, so spot market or term market. Next one, so it is a provide automatically internet based market, interface almost situations. So sometimes you are also a purchase for the onlines. You brought a mobile or buy a mobile or sell a mobile to based on the online shopping. So the terms and conditions are given. So will be spot pricing, spot market, nothing but will be pay on before delivering the product or after a cash on delivery. After the cash on delivery, once you can delivery, then you will give the cash and you put in the EMIs. EMIs also is the term market because of by month will be later will pay. This is the availability. The product by the product is sell by the internet basis only, and then the PX is success. The power exchange success can be measured by the market liquidity. So once you product you buy, the availability in the marketplaces, the pro market, what are the factors? Success factor can be measured by object. What are the objectives of power exchange? Market of liquidity and fee structure, comparativeness. So compare the one place, one market, one price is there, another market, another price is there. The number of participants, the number of participants in the market, how many participate in the market. So fee structure, those are the power exchanges objectives. What are the power exchange objectives? Market liquidity, how much product is there in market, and fee structure, comparativeness, what is the price of a product, and the number of how many number of participants in the place in market. So those are the power exchange objectives. So finally, what is meant by power exchange? The power exchange means where the different participants buy and sell the electricity, can do other services competitive manner by accepting certain terms such as price and availability and quality of product is known as the power exchanges. Power exchange. The next topic is next topic, market operations. The market operations carried out by describing the growing of type of markets. Uh, the market operations carried carried out by the describing the growing of types of market. So we know that two types of market. One is the day head and overhead market, and the second one is elastic and elastic and inelastic markets. Elastic, inelastic markets. Elastic, inelastic market. Day head market and overhead market. One is there are two types of markets. One is the day head and overhead markets, and second one is the elastic and inelastic market. Day head and overhead market means there are commonly in day head market, the market clearing prices are determined every hour to the next operating day depending on the demand, bids and generation offers bilateral transaction plans and purely financial bids. So day ahead or market, the market clearing prices are determined every hour, the next operating of day. Today is the one product, one price. The demand is more. The product is demand is more. The next day will be operating. The next day will be operating the price are increasing or the price are increasing or decreasing. So the head marketing price are determined for every hour. So in this hour, in the morning, every early morning, purchases of product is less. The next hour will be the demand is more, the product is available, demand is more. The next day, depending upon the market clearing prices determined for the next operating day, depending on the demand, bids, generations, offers and bilateral transactions and purely financial bids. There are calculated purchase and sales of energy. There are calculated purchase of energy. In day ahead market, the marketing in our head market, the customers are supplied by the electric energy used for the next hour. So in the overhead market, the demand will be more in this hour. In that time, demand will be more. The next hour will be decided for the marketing clearing prices. The increasing the marketing prices or decreasing the marketing based on the demand. In overhead market, the analogy to day head and accept deals for the 1 hour and day head are included by reducing the available transfer capability and bids are not respective in this market. The market participants submit further data to power exchange once the market clearing prices is calculated by the power exchanges. So market submitted further data to power exchanges when the MCB is calculated. MCP is calculated to the MCP means market clearing price is calculated the power exchanges. So the second one, the market operations, the second one is the elastic and inelastic market. So elastic market means a market in which the small changes in the price may lead to greater change in demand. First elastic means a market which is small changes the price may lead to a greater changes in demand is known as the elastic market. It means So one product is, the price is 30 rupees. In that time, the price is reduced to 25%, 25 rupees. That time is the demand is more. That type of market is called as elastic market. Elastic market, elasticity icon, elasticity sensitivity. Similarly, the market with the drastic changes in the price. Drastic changes in the price may not causes the demand, is said to be inelastic demand. So in this market, the change is drastic. The price large changes in the price does not change in the demand is known as inelastic market. Inelastic market, consumer is not provided with enough or incentives to modify a demand for electricity and to market conditions. So the product will be reduces the more prices, reduces the more likely to reduces, does not changes in the demand. So some availability terms and conditions are there. So examples in offers in mobiles, in the Flipkart or Amazon, some cards are Axis Bank card and ICICI Bank card. We discount by the 5%, 20, 10% are given, but the cards are not available for the participants. So cards are not available. Cards are not available all the customers. It was not a satisfied. So some conditions to modify the demand of to meet the market conditions. The MCP, market clearing price for energy market that has demand, is calculated based on the price structure provided for the supply. So once upon a time, sometimes is the availability, liquidity of a market liquidity is less, the demand is more. The market liquidity is less, the demand is more. The time the marketing clearing prices is decided by provided by the supply. When the customers become a familiar and the energy prices, they started using concept of elastic demand and arranged their tariff affairs such a manner that decreases the demand next available offer price except a particular level. These are the elastic. Simply saying elastic market, a market for small changes in prices, the demand is more, is known as elastic. Drastic changes of the price does not changes in the demand, is called as inelastic market. Is simply say for the elastic and inelastic market. And then market, the next topic is market power. The simple definition: ability of firm to increase or control the market price over competitive levels. Competitive level is known as market power. So the market power means to firm increases the control the market price over a competitive level is known as the market power. The function of market power is maintain the total output, reduce the competition, and in the power generation and service quality and technological introduction. So the market to control the price of market price over to control the competition level is called as market power. What is meant by spot market? The spot market is in the market, the spot market or cash market. So spot market are nothing but cash market. Cash market is a market for any commodity where the buyers and sellers interact and agree either manually, either mutually through on exchange of the transaction, immediately and delivery. It traded on a quality and price of certain amount of megawatts to be delivered in next futures. The market where the buyers and sellers directly interact and agree with either conditions and terms and conditions mutually, the exchanges the transmission for immediately delivery is nothing but spot market. So if you go to one shop to buy the laptop, it directed deals with the dealer and give the terms and conditions accepting the participants and immediately deliver. and immediately deliver is nothing but spot market. And David, nothing but spot market. Thank you.